Hello, friends. Welcome to Do You Know English? I am Vitalina, your teacher, and I am very happy to see you here today.
Hi, everyone. I am Jake, and I am happy to be here too. I am awake, I am ready, and my brain was calm this morning.
Good, Jake. That is exactly what we need. Today, we will practice the past simple of the verb to be, was and were. We will not learn new rules. We will only practice simple, real sentences so that was and were become easy and natural for you.
And friends, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us grow and helps you never miss our next lessons.
Yes, please subscribe so you are always here with us. Friends, I want to say one important thing before we start. In the past simple, the verb to be is I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were.
We also have negative forms. I was not equals I wasn't. You were not equals you weren't. He was not equals he wasn't. She was not equals she wasn't. It was not equals it wasn't. We were not equals we weren't. They were not equals they weren't.
First, I will use full forms a little so it is clear. Then we will mostly use short forms, wasn't and weren't, because that is natural in real life.
Good idea. Full forms were useful for my brain, but my mouth likes short forms.
Yes, short forms are good for fast speaking. So remember, was is for I, he, she, it. Were is for you, we, they.
I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were. Easy music.
Perfect. Now let's use this music in your life. Jake, tell our friends, where were you yesterday morning?
Yesterday morning, I was in my room. I was in bed at 7. I was a little sleepy, but I was not sad. I was okay.
And after that?
After that, I was in the kitchen. I was at the table with my family. The coffee was hot. My breakfast was simple, but it was good.
Good. So you were in your room, then you were in the kitchen.
Yes, that is true.
Where were you in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I was at university. I was in class. My friends were there too. We were a little tired, but we were interested in the lesson.
Nice. And where were you in the evening?
I was at home again. I was in the living room with my family. Later, I was in my room. I was relaxed.
That sounds like a good day.
Yes, it was a normal day. Not crazy, but good.
Now, let's practice all the persons with one simple example. We use the same idea for everyone, so it is easy to see the pattern. Listen. I was at home yesterday. You were at home yesterday. He was at home yesterday. She was at home yesterday. It was at home yesterday. We were at home yesterday. They were at home yesterday.
Okay, my brain was ready for that.
Very good. Now, Jake, let's make small personal examples with each pronoun. One sentence for each. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Use past simple to be.
Okay. I was happy yesterday evening. You were very friendly yesterday. He was late for class this morning. She was tired after work. It was cold last night. We were in the park on Sunday. They were noisy on the bus yesterday.
Very nice. Simple and very real. Now let's move to negatives with to be in the past. We will use short forms, wasn't and weren't. I wasn't, you weren't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, we weren't, they weren't.
Yes, my tongue is happy now. Wasn't, weren't.
Tell me some true negative sentences about your yesterday.
Okay. I wasn't late for class yesterday. I wasn't angry. I was calm. My coffee wasn't cold. It was hot. My bag wasn't heavy. My friends weren't bored. They were okay. The lessons weren't easy, but they weren't too hard.
Good balance. The day wasn't perfect, but it wasn't bad.
Yes, it was a normal day.
Now, negatives with each pronoun, one sentence. Again.
I wasn't at the gym yesterday. You weren't tired in the morning. He wasn't at home last night. She wasn't in a bad mood yesterday. It wasn't very warm yesterday. We weren't in the city on Sunday. They weren't ready for the test last week.
Oh, poor they. They weren't ready.
They were not my friends.
Okay. Now we will make a small game with positives and negatives. I say a positive sentence with was or were. You change it to a negative sentence with wasn't or weren't.
Good. I like this game.
I say, he was at the party yesterday.
He wasn't at the party yesterday.
They were in the park on Sunday.
They weren't in the park on Sunday.
We were happy after the exam.
We weren't happy after the exam.
I hope that was not a real story.
Sometimes it was real.
Okay. You were late this morning.
You weren't late this morning.
It was very quiet last night.
It wasn't very quiet last night.
Good. Your negatives were very fast. Now, the opposite game. I say a negative sentence. You change it to a positive sentence.
Okay, let's do it.
I say, I wasn't at home yesterday evening.
I was at home yesterday evening.
I say, she wasn't in class yesterday.
She was in class yesterday.
They weren't hungry after dinner.
They were hungry after dinner.
I say, we weren't in the library last week.
We were in the library last week.
I say, he wasn't angry.
He was angry.
Very good. You were quick and correct.
Yes, my brain wasn't slow this time.
I agree. Now let's bring in your friends, Tom, Penny, and Lucy. Tell us about their yesterday or last weekend using past simple to be.
Okay. Tom was very hungry yesterday evening. He was at home, but there wasn't much food. He was sad for a short time, but then he was happy because pizza was on the way.
Yes, Tom and his pizza.
On Saturday, Tom was in the park with his team. They were very active, they were good, and they were the winners in the match.
So Tom and the team were strong and happy.
Yes, they were proud.
And Penny.
Penny was very busy last week. She was at the library every day. She was tired in the evening, but she was happy because her project was almost ready. On Sunday, she was at home with her family. They were relaxed and they were together. It was a calm day.
That sounds nice. And Lucy.
Lucy was at a photo studio on Saturday. She was excited, the lights were bright, the people were friendly, and the photos were beautiful. In the evening, she was at a small cafe. It was quiet and it was warm. She was very happy with her day.
Very good. Many clear was and were sentences about real life.
Yes, past simple to be was everywhere there.
Now, friends, we will practice questions with was and were and short answers. The pattern is, was I? Were you? Was he? Was she? Was it? Were we? Were they? Short answers. Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Yes, you were. No, you weren't. Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Yes, we were. No, we weren't. Yes, they were. No, they weren't. I will ask you about yesterday. Answer in full, please.
Okay.
Were you tired yesterday morning?
Yes, I was. I was a little tired yesterday morning.
Were you late for class?
No, I wasn't. I was on time.
Were you at home at 9 in the evening?
Yes, I was. I was at home at 9 in the evening.
Were you angry yesterday?
No, I wasn't. I wasn't angry yesterday.
Was your day easy?
No, it wasn't. It was not very easy, but it was okay.
Good answers. Now I will ask about your friends. Was Tom hungry yesterday evening?
Yes, he was. He was very hungry yesterday evening.
Was Penny at the library yesterday?
Yes, she was. She was at the library yesterday.
Was Lucy at the studio yesterday?
No, she wasn't. She was at home yesterday.
Were your friends busy last week?
Yes, they were. They were very busy last week.
Were your parents at home last night?
Yes, they were. They were at home last night.
Very nice. Now you ask me some questions with was and were.
Okay. Were you busy yesterday, Vitalina?
Yes, I was. I was busy yesterday, but I was happy.
Were you at your desk all day?
No, I wasn't. I was at my desk, but I was also in the kitchen and I was outside for a short walk.
Were you tired in the evening?
Yes, I was. I was a little tired in the evening.
Was the weather good yesterday?
Yes, it was. It was sunny and it was warm.
Were your students active in the lesson?
Yes, they were. They were active and they were interested.
Good. Then it was a good day.
Yes, it was a good day. Now let's make a small correction game with was and were. I will say a wrong sentence with to be in the past. You correct it.
Okay, correction time.
I were at home yesterday.
I was at home yesterday.
He were late this morning.
He was late this morning.
They was in the park on Sunday.
They were in the park on Sunday.
We was tired after the game.
We were tired after the game.
You was in class yesterday.
You were in class yesterday.
It were very cold last night.
It was very cold last night.
Excellent. Your ear was very good in this game.
Yes, the mistakes were loud. My brain was like, no, no, no.
That is a good sign. Now, friends, let's make a quick recap. In the past simple, the verb to be is I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were. For negatives we use I wasn't, you weren't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, we weren't, they weren't. For questions, was I, were you, was he, was she, was it, were we, were they.
And short answers are, yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Yes, you were. No, you weren't. Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Yes, we were. No, we weren't. Yes, they were. No, they weren't.
Perfect. Your past simple to be was very strong today.
Yes, my past simple was a problem before, but now it is better. I was confused. Now I am more confident.
I'm very happy to hear that. Friends, now it is your turn. You can write 3 short sentences in the comments. 1 sentence with was, 1 sentence with wasn't, 1 question with was or were. For example, I was at home yesterday. I wasn't tired. Were you busy yesterday?
We will be very happy to read about your yesterday, your last week, or your last weekend. Your sentences are important and they are good practice for you.
And if you enjoy these practical lessons, please subscribe to the channel. Your support really motivates us to create more English lessons for you.
When you subscribe, like, and comment, you are part of our English family. You were not alone before, and you are not alone now.
Thank you for being here today. You were great in this lesson.
Yes, you were brave, you were focused, and your English was better than yesterday.
Keep practicing a little every day. Your progress will be real.
We believe in you.
See you in the next practical lesson.
Bye-bye, friends.
Bye, friends.